A man has been tasered for coughing at the police when officers claimed when he claimed to be infected with the virus. So that's fucking come unstuck there, didn't he? And good on him. That's pretty much a deadly weapon. What he's doing, isn't it? Coughing at him. So he's just fucking shot him with a taser. Oh, I bet that fucking policeman was dying to use it as well. He's probably thinking, this is my chance. Go on. I'd fucking dare you, punk. Make my day. You cough in my face, I'm gonna fucking. I've been dying to use this taser. Bang. And the guy's fucking jolting around on the floor like a fucking, like he's breakdancing.